case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A protracted legal dispute involving the U.S. Coast Guard and environmental group Bluewater Network has concluded in the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. The complex case, which focused on outlining regulatory responsibility for preventing oil spills, centers on provisions of the Federal Oil Pollution Act of 1990, OPA. The litigation was sparked by the Coast Guard's reluctance to establish mandatory regulations for tank level and pressure monitoring devices, as stipulated under Section 4110 of the OPA. This reluctance, understood as regulatory delay by the petitioners, prompted a call for judicial action to interpret the Coast Guard's responsibilities under the Federal Oil Spill Prevention Statute. In addition to this challenge, there were further contentions surrounding the Coast Guard's authority over specifying the use of other waters. This stemmed from the dismissal of the petition to enforce the stipulation that single-hulled tankers carrying oil be accompanied by at least 2 towing vessels, geared towards minimizing the chance of oil spills. The court's verdict leaned in favor of the petitioners. It roundly rejected the Coast Guard's argument that it didn't have to undertake rulemaking for other waters, and declared the delayed action around the regulation of monitoring devices unreasonable. In its final decision, the court ordered prompt rulemaking on the part of the Coast Guard. The court, standing firm in its resolve to have the federal agency fulfill its statutory responsibilities, will retain jurisdiction until the Coast Guard fully implements the mandated compliance standards and installation requirements under Sections 4110 A and B of the OPA.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class